Okay, students, let's have the story entitled The Monkey and the Crocodile. Very good. So, as I will read the story, I will also explain it to you for your better understanding so that you can write the reflection letter. And what is the moral of the story? Okay, so once a crocodile took some jambulan fruit for his wife, given by his friend a monkey, but his wife was not happy. "I want to eat the monkey's heart," she said. Though sad, the crocodile decided to get the monkey's heart for his wife. The next day, when the crocodile visited the monkey, he said, "My wife has asked me to call you for a dinner." The monkey happily jumped on the crocodile's back. But as soon as he jumped, the crocodile told him about his wife, who wanted his heart. "Oh, my dear friend, why did you not tell me before? I left my heart on the tree. Let's swim and get it," said the monkey. The crocodile took the monkey back. As soon as they reached the tree, the monkey jumped and went to the highest branch. "You fool! How can anyone live without a heart?" the monkey said, while throwing fruits at the crocodile. So, what is the moral of the story? Foolishness can make you take wrong decisions. Okay, so pasabot ana, kung dili ka magminaro, dili ka maghunahuna og tarong. Dili ka mag-grenite. Kana makahatag kanimo og dautan nga og dili maayo nga desisyon sa kinabuhi. Okay? So sa story, manag-amigo ni si monkey og si crocodile. Unya, suod lagi kay sila sa tanan niya. Kining asawa ni crocodile, gusto siya kanon ang heart sa unggoy. Unya, nagminaro si unggoy. Kay para di siya makaon, gidana man siya sa crocodile ang amigo sa. Para di siya makaon, nagminaro si Engi palaylayan nga ang akong heart naa sa kahoy. Kay para ibalik siya dito, kay na naman sila tunga-tunga sa loud. So, iyang giingnan nga, ibalik ko, kay naa dito akong heart sa kahoy. So, ang crocodile pod, nituo po dayon, pero wa siya kay bawa, giilad siya ni monkey, para si monkey maluwas. Iyang giingnan nga, akong heart naa dito sa kahoy. Buto, ibalik siya, pag dikat-kat na ang monkey sa kahoy, wala na siya ni adto ni crocodile. O, iyang giilad, kay para kung nikuyog pa si ato, wa pa niya giilad si crocodile nga, iyang kasing-kasing naa sa kahoy, mamatay siya, kay kanon man siya sa asawa atong crocodile. O, mao ni siya nga story.